Let's talk about shutter speed. We're going to break down shutter speed in a way that's easy to understand. So what is shutter speed? Imagine your camera is like an eye. Shutter speed is how fast or slow that eye blink to take a photo. A fast blink, it freezes motion. A slow blink, it lets in more lights, but it also captures more movements. So shutter speed affects two things: how bright or dark your photo is. We call this exposure. And how sharp or blurry your photo look like. We call this motion. Let me give you some example in real life. 30 seconds, the shutter stays open for 30 full seconds. This is perfect for night photography, like stars, light tails or city lights. But you'll need a tripod, so the camera stays still. 5 to 8 seconds, good for light painting photography. You know those photos where people draw with lights? That's how it's done. 120 to 160 is my go-to for general still photography. You can shoot handheld and everything stays sharp. 200 or above, this is what you want for sport or fast movements. It freezes action, like someone flying, jumping, or dancing. Quick bonus tip: if your shutter speed is slower than 100, I really recommend you to use tripod. Even a small shake can make your photo blurry. This video is brought to you by Atlas Creative, where education meets experience. We offer hands-on workshops for government and private entities across the UAE, plus full photography and videography services. Learn, create, deliver. Extra thing to know: shutter speed is part of what we call exposure triangle. Along with ISO and aperture, all three controls how much light enters your camera. But shutter speed is the one that controls motion. So here's the rule of thumb. If you want a sharp, frozen shot, use high or fast shutter speed. If you want to show movements or shoot in the dark, use slow shutter speed, but use tripod. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.